and all are in positive mood. The age of their two of them are 23 to 24, and my central character's age is 18, whose name is Ramesh. Ramesh lives with his family in his village. One day, because of flood, their village police station destroyed. So there were no one in the police station. There was only a Havaldar. So Ramesh told his big brother, that was a mason, to prepare the police station, and they he went the police station with his big brother and helped the Havaldar to repair the police station. After this, he was very happy. Thank you.
I have perceived the three character, all of mood are positive, and age of group 17 years. My main character's name was Sohan. Sohan was studying in the government college. In a rainy season, some of raindrops were coming in the classroom. So he decided the roof, maintaining the roof, and he took the help of two friends and the maintaining the roof.
Gentlemen, my SSB center is at Allahabad, and I perceived three characters from the story, and all are at age bracket of 24 to 26, and all are male. And my central character is Rahul, age 24 years, an architect. He was hired to make a home, and he was working with his helpers. After some time, he saw a thief in the house nearby house, and he with his helpers caught him.
Gentlemen, my SSB is 4 AFSB Varanasi from 12 September. What I have perceived from...
Please stop. Who told you to start giving your SSB? Mera SSB वहाँ पर है.
Sir, I said. Gentlemen, what I have perceived from the story is there are three characters. The age of the characters are between 20 to 25 years of the age. Mood is positive and all are the male. The central theme of my story is repairing a house. The main character of my story is Divyansh. He is around 20 to 25 years of age, and he is also an computer science engineer. He decided to go on a vacation in Assam in his house with his three friends. When they got here, they saw that the house has been broken by the flood. He took the help of his friends and repaired the house.
Gentlemen, from the Sun picture, I have perceived three characters. All are male and in the age group of 25 to 30 years. My main character Ram in the positive mood, and rest are in the neutral mood. And the action of my story is to help a person in the lift of a box while the time of reparation. So among the principal of school saw some leakage on the terrace, and as the rainy season was about to come, so he decided to maintain it. So one day when the worker was working on the terrace, he saw that one worker was not able to lift the box, so he decided to help him, and he helped him, and the roof was maintained.
First of all, gentlemen, my SSB center is in Bangalore, and my date is from 24 August to 28 August. Gentlemen, I perceived total of three characters, and the name of my central character was Amar. His mood was positive, and his age was about 20 years. Amar was a carpenter, and he was well known for doing his work. One day he noticed that whole of his city, or most of the houses of the city, was actually cut off by the idea of rainwater harvesting, and they were not aware about that. So he decided to actually plan the setups of that with the help of the experienced plumbers, carpenters, and lead them as a leader. For that, he actually designed pamphlets, banners, and posted them onto each of the corners of the city. And he also assisted that banners with the mobile numbers and alternatives. He also posted the pictures also, so that the contact will be the best. He also made one website also, so that the volunteer can register also. Finally, he actually successfully completed the task and create awareness also, and even
So gentlemen, in the given picture, I have perceived mainly three characters. All are male and all are in the positive mood.
and their ages is between 20 to 24-year-old. An action of my story, renovating the factory. Ramesh, who is a newly appointed a civil engineer in the factory before the rainy season, he got to know that there is a leakage in the roof of the factory, and after that he decided to renovate it. First of all, he calculated the budget, and after that he counted the number of laborers needed in it. He ordered the constructing materials and started the work. And finally, after starting the work, he gave instructions and a helping hand to the laborers. And finally, after 20 days, work was completed and the roof was renovated. Workers was happy with the civil engineers, and he was also happy with his job and contented with his job. Thank you.
My SSB center is in Allahabad, and in this picture I have perceived three characters. The main character of my picture is in positive mood, and its age is 25 around, and its name is Ram. Ram is a ITI graduate, from newly ITI graduate, and it's very famous in his village. A man comes to Ram and says please give construction to my new house, but Ram denies for it because it is very busy schedule of him. But after 7 days he said that I will come to your house, and with two laborers. The first labor is Syam. Its age is 47, because in our construction it is very important to have a great experience holder. So Syam is the person who has very great experience in it. And the other one is Chandra, and its age is only 19 years old. In our India, it is some people are also doing labor in very little age. So I think this is the example of that. They finishes his work in just 15 days, and after 15 days,
my SSB is on 17th August at Allahabad. Gentlemen, in this picture, I perceive three characters. All are male of positive mood, of ages 16, 19 and 35 respectively. The action of my story is building a birdhouse. Rahul, 19-year-old, has always a fascination of bird flight. One day, when the terrace of his house was damaged by a flood, they decided to correct it. While correcting their terrace, they also found a bird lying injured there. They decided that in the meantime, when they will be correcting the terrace, they will also build a bird house for the bird till the time he get completely fit for flying. All of them planned very well and ended up correcting the terrace also and building the bird house also. All of them were happy after this noble deed.
So he immediately gathered his friend and informed the concerned authority and principal about the leakage. So after hearing this, principal called the laborers and architecture to renovate the roof. So Sumit decided to help them by bringing the required material from the market, and also he advised the labor to make the shelter for the bird and to store the water for the birds. From that thing he helped the laborers and find self-contented, and also principal praised his efforts to renovate the roof.
Friends, my SSV is scheduled in Bhopal from 17th September. I have perceived mainly three characters in the story, and all are between the age bracket of 24 and 48. The aim of my story is improving safety measures at a construction site. The main character of my story is Mayank, 24 years old, who is a chief inspecting officer at the construction site. During his inspection, he found that most of the workers at the construction site were without helmets, and also the workers who were working at higher floors were not provided with any kind of safety rope. So he immediately contacted the contractor and asked him to arrange helmet for all those and also provide them with safety ropes. He also ensured that every worker there have a life insurance, and at last he insisted them to work in separate shifts so as to avoid over exhausting due to extra work. Thank you.
Friends, my SSB is scheduled on 5 August at Bengaluru. So according to my perception, I have perceived three characters. All are males and of age 25 years. and they are all in positive mood. And the title of my story is repairing the roof. And my central character is Gulshan. Gulshan was a carpenter who lives in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. And this is the month of August, where rainy season has started and heavy rainfall is going on, due to which houses got shattered due to heavy rainfall. So one day Gulshan get a call from one of his neighbor to fix the roof. So Gulshan, along with his helper or teammates, went to the house and house to check the situation of the condition of the roof. After seeing the condition of the roof, Gulshan went to the market to collect this materials for fixing the roof. After collecting the resources, he came back to the house and started repairing the roof of the house. After repairing the roof, he handed to the owner, and owner appreciated the work of Gulshan and his team, and also that they have come in a very short period of time and make the payment for their work.
Friends, my SSB is scheduled at 26 August in Bangalore. From the picture shown, I have perceived 3 characters. All are male and all are in positive mood in age bracket of 19 to 21 years of age. My main character is Sahil, who is a 19 years old boy who finds it exciting to do technical things like daily routine like repairing of bicycle and small machines. So one day he was alone in his house with 2 of his friends. Suddenly the climate changes and it starts to rain heavily. He finds that the roof of his room is leaking water. So as he finds it exciting to repair and do technical works, after the rain stops, he decides to repair it himself. So he went to the roof with his friends and found that the one pipeline was leaking because the screw of the pipe was loosened due to heavy rain. So he fixed it with the help of screwdriver, tightens it and fixes the leakage in the house.
Gentlemen, my SSB center is Guwahati and I perceived 3 male characters in my story, out of which all are in positive mood and age group of 18 to 20. Out of which Nitish is my main character from Rampur village. He is helping his elder brother and a mechanics to repair its roof because the rainy season is coming. They repaired the roof and enjoyed the rainy season without any leakage, and he learned also many things like using the many different tools.
Gentlemen, I am from ACC entry and my SSB dates are yet not declared. In the picture, I observed 3 peoples who are carpenter who had positive mood, and age is from 25, 27 and 28. My main character is of 28 years old and he is a carpenter and he is helping his partner in setting up the chimney. And the third character is of 25 years old who is setting up the plates on the roof as the roof is leaking, and that's it. And they are doing their work happily.
So we should go with the construction and let us add action in it.
Some kind of duty in a very social manner that it actually observes that
they are doing the social work like making birdhouse also.
Braveheartly and with their soul.
Gentlemen, let us add action in our action about
Now all odd chess numbers will be having discussion for first round. Start. Odd chess numbers only.
We have got 3 characters in the story, and it is clear that one of them is old. It is very clear in the picture, and the aim is also a constructing a board. All 3 are.
Primary task will be repairing the roof, and we can along with that we can also add social tasks like maintaining and making a birdhouse.
We have also learned new things how to use the tools.
Yes, that would be final task.
One is construction work and other is birdhouse making.
And we will conclude like that. They learn so many things.
Yeah, and I have got 3 characters. Our main character will be around the
age.
Name could be anything like Sahil, and our age would be like 19 years.
Yeah, I agree with you, Chashma 161. And one is old character, and one 20 to 25, and one is a bit younger. Yes, we have got two
So
cars.
as he is repairing, he should have some knowledge. So we can say that he has some technical knowledge.
Yes,
and
there is one person who has 47 years and
Also, he is repairing the house, so we can
important to
confirm
have
that.
experienced person all over the
we can
all over the group. So I think the person who is 47 years old has the most experience.
Yeah.
And he is an architect.
We can also conclude that
he can be an architect.
it is a rainy season because they are repairing
it
the
is
roof.
not
so it is-
mandatory that who is old in age could be experienced.
Yes, you are right. But in our society, we have seen that the person who has very good experience can be ITI graduated.
I agree with you, Chashma. So they are repairing the roof, so we can also conclude that it is a rainy season.
Yes, we can show you to that due to heavy rain, the
will be a good but because the rainy
the roof got damaged and
what
it
is
is
the
starting to
suffering the
happen
rainy
in
season?
Dry season, and they have kept
And if it
lifting
is
it for the
summer,
next dry season.
making some requirements.
Now, we will check numbers.
I think the idea of this is just to repair the bird sanctuary, and if we add some quality feature to that, we can also say that there is a construction of who is doing well and he wants to aware the city. Yeah, and this is a quality worker also.
Rainy season due to its heavy rainfall causes
Gentlemen, first of all, we should calculate the budget of it and also count the number of laborers needed in it, and after that we can also order for the construction materials.
Yeah, I think there are also the quality of workers who are required also. They are experienced, they are qualified. So it will be a better criteria if they are very experienced.
Yeah, they will
and
be
social
a
activity
carpenter
also.
or
And I think if everyone would give their best, then within 20 days our work will be completed.
Yeah, if we are around.
I think according to the
It is rainy season, so we have to repair our road.
Yes.
Yeah, age is about very close, like 18 to 20 we can run. 18 to 20 we can run.
the age can be 20.
Yeah, they are
Gentlemen, let us conclude our story. So, gentlemen, let us conclude our story that there are three characters, all are male, their mood is positive, and
the title should Now last 1 minute, all together discuss and come out with a common goal. Okay, now any one of you get up, nominated by group members, can come up and give common goal story.
Okay. Thank you, friends, for appointing me to deliver the group story. So our story goes like that. We have perceived three characters. All are in positive mood. All are male, and all are of age group 19 to 21. The main character of the story is Sahil, who is 19 years of age, who finds it exciting to do technical work like doing small works in home and has the knowledge to do small repairs. So it was rainy season, and after a heavy rainfall he notices that the roof of the house is damaged and it started to leak. So along with two of his friends he decided to repair it himself. After the rain stops, he went to the roof and started to repair the roof. So along with repairing, after repairing he decided to make a bird house there so that birds could find their food and water on the roof. After completing that, from this all the three friends learned so much things and find it exciting to do their job. Thank you.